What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean your white background in Photoshop just like that.
This is an image I shot recently with Alex. We all know that catalog white background can get dirty quite easily. So today I'm gonna give you a fast way how to clean it during post-production. First, we duplicate the layer by hitting Command J or Control J on Windows. Go to Filter, Noise, Median. I'm gonna reset the radius back to 1 pixel. Basically what this does, it chooses the dust marks and blend them together. If you bring your radius slider up, you will see that my background cleaning up really nicely. So now I'm gonna set it to maybe 10 pixels and after that hit OK. Now create a layer mask and invert it by clicking Ctrl I or Command I on Mac. Now I'm gonna grab my white brush tool with the opacity of 100, flow 10%, and now we're gonna start brushing over the black areas to remove all the dust or black points. As I said before, the median tool will blend the dust and it's not gonna remove your shadows, so don't worry about that. As you can see, it's not even affecting the model jeans, for example. I'm gonna increase the flow a bit just to speed up the process. So now we just finished this process. All you have to do is merge the layers and that's it. Okay guys, now I'm gonna give you one more small trick, is by duplicate your layer if you wanna remove the right side of this picture. So I'm gonna tell you how to do that. Go to rectangular marquee tool to select the area that it's good in the picture, so you can select this area, for example, and now what you will do is Command C to copy or Control C to copy, Command V to paste, it will create another layer, and then Command T to transform, so you can drag all the way to the right side, and that's it. press enter, and you have a full clean right side.
That's it guys, very simple. If you like my video, please like, subscribe. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section down below, and please subscribe. Have a good day. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean your wax